Hello children, here we will discuss the rest part of scene 8, that is the last scene. So we see here that Sir Simon requested Virginia to stay, not to leave her alone. Virginia, that's quite absurd. You simply have to go to bed and blow out the candle. Then she says, what is foolish thing is this? If you want to sleep, so go to bed and put off the candle and go to sleep. Sir Simon, I haven't slept for over 300 years and I am so tired. Virginia, what does it mean? Sir Simon, it means that you must weep for my sins because I have no tears, and pray for my soul because I have no faith, and then the angel of death will have mercy on me and I can finally die. Sir Simon says that he had not slept for 300 years, so he was so tired. He was exhausted of not sleeping. Then Virginia doesn't understand. Then Sir Simon explained that he requested her to weep for her, to pray for her sins, so that angel of death would show some mercy to Sir Simon, so that he could finally die. Virginia stands up. I'm not afraid. I will ask the angel of death to have mercy on you. Then Virginia says, okay, I'm not afraid. I will pray for you and request to the angel of death to show mercy on you. Mr. and Mrs. Otis and James are in the library. Mrs. Otis, has anyone seen Virginia? She has been gone for hours. James, I told you something terrible would happen. It's Sir Simon. I know it. Here we see that Virginia was missed. So Mrs. Otis was worried and asked everyone if they have seen Virginia. Then James says it was the work of Sir Simon only. It is only done by Sir Simon. Here we see the door opens. Then Virginia enters with box of jewels. So we see that Mr. and Mrs. Otis were worried about Virginia because she was not seen anywhere. But here we see that as they were discussing about Virginia, the door opens and Virginia enters having a box of jewels. Jewels, you know, ornaments that ladies used to wear. Sometimes jades also used to wear. Mrs. Otis, Virginia, where were you? We were so worried, Virginia. I was with Sir Simon. Washington, that ghost? Are you all right? Virginia, I'm fine. Mr. Otis, Sir Simon, is he alive? Virginia, he is fine. He is finally free now. He has been forgiven. Washington, the stain, it's gone. Virginia, and look, before he died, he gave me this box of beautiful jewels to keep. Mr. Otis, that's very kind of him. It is almost 12. Let's go to bed. We can discuss this in detail in the morning. Good night, everyone. So here we see that all were worried about Virginia, and Virginia came back and showed all the people the box of jewels. Then she tells everything, what she saw, what she found at the meeting with Sir Simon. She informed everybody that now finally Sir Simon had died and now his soul is also free. And Washington also noticed that the stain was also gone. It is not there. So they were discussing about jewels and Sir Simon. So Mr. Otis says that it's a late night about 12 o'clock, so they can discuss about this incident in the morning. So all said goodbye, good night to each other, and they went to sleep. So children, here we see the story is finished now. I hope you enjoyed this story. Okay children, thank you so much.